Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding vertical text on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is no option to just make your text vertical like in other text editing software like Microsoft Word, but there is a workaround we can use to do it. From the document editor, click on Insert from the top toolbar. Select Drawing and then select New Drawing. From the drawing editor, select a text box. Click and drag with the mouse to create the text box. Add the text you want and format it how you would like. To rotate the text, click this circle above the text and drag it around with your mouse. Once you are happy with your vertical text, click Save and Close. The vertical text will now be inserted into the document. You can wrap it around the text by selecting it and then clicking Wrap Text. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.